Hello, dear professors. My name is Chongchong. Now I'm studying in Faculty of Psychology and Education, University Malaysia, Sabah. Now I will start my presentation. The title is The Influence of Course Management and Learning Styles in Chinese Universities on Students' Academic Challenges, a Literature Review. Introduction. China's higher education is faced with a variety of challenges as stresses build up and individuals' ability to cope and readjust can become overloaded, depleting their physical or mental resources. In turn, there is an increased likelihood of physical illness or psychological distress. According to learning engagement theory, it is neither one-sided, objective, nor accurate to evaluate the quality of higher education by external conditions such as resources, reputation, and ranking of colleges and universities. It ignores a principal position of students and proposes to comprehensively diagnose the quality of education of colleges and universities by using students' learning input. The types of course management. School course management is the most dynamic link in the course management system, which is of great significance to the successful implementation of the course, the improvement of the professional level of teachers, and enhancement of students' course adaptability and academic performance. The study focuses on literature research from two main types of course management. They are course setting and course evaluation. The difficulty of course setting, the management of teachers' teaching, and the management of students' problems are the important indicators that affect the degree of learning challenge. A moderate degree of learning challenge can help cultivate students' autonomous learning ability, promote their learning motivation and learning effect. Course setting is an important research topic in higher education to conduct in-depth research on the construction and practical effect, and actively construct a science course setting system composed of different function blocks to meet the needs of professional talent ability cultivation in line with the result-oriented, student-centered, professional characteristics and multi-participation principles. Issues such as minimum requirements for awarding course passing marks and degree credits. A study of three course assessment reforms concluded that rethinking and reforming these would lead to significant student population improvements that could ultimately improve learning outcomes in higher education. Assessment information from online courses can help teachers make decisions about learning outcomes achieved by students, diagnose students' learning problems in specific areas, provide students with targeted feedback or additional scaffolding, and make summative judgments or reservations about grades. The types of learning styles included autonomous learning, cooperative learning, inquiry learning mainly. Autonomous learning is a kind of modern learning mode corresponding to the traditional receiving learning. With students as the subject of learning, students make their own decisions, reduce the domination of others, reduce external interference through reading, listening, research, observation, practice, and other means to enable individuals to continuously change behavior. The main problems of college students in independent learning are lack of desire and demand for voluntary learning, lack of learning initiative and self-supervision, lack of self-examination, and self-evaluation. The application of cooperative learning in gymnastic teaching can play a significant role in improving students' theoretical and technical scores. It will have a beneficial impact on the cultivation of students' sense of cooperation, spirit of solidarity, and creative. In terms of active cooperative learning, teachers should be good at stimulating students' active learning and thinking, encourage students to actively cooperate with others to solve problems, actively exert the function of classroom teaching, organize cooperative groups to solve problems together. The implementation of inquiry learning in college students is not extensive. Students' learning is still dominated by receptive learning, and there are significant grade differences from the perspective of influencing factors. The factors are restricted, and wide use of inquiry-based learning includes students' learning concepts, students' personality characteristics, and teachers' behavior motivations, teachers' evaluation methods, learning content, complexity of inquiry-based learning, large workload, teachers' knowledge and skills, students' evaluation methods, and many other aspects. Students' academic challenges mainly contain the difficulty of the course content understanding, academic pressure, and time management. A school should adhere to the principle of thick foundation and wide aperture in the setting of course challenge difficulty, and lay students' professional foundations through specific learning student previous. The pressure of college students mainly includes two packs. One is study pressure, specifically speaking, the strict requirements of their own study lead to the generation of pressure. The second is the stress caused by interpersonal relationship procedure. There are a lot of students who don't focus on study. The main reason for the formation of this phenomenon is that college students don't have a reasonable management of time. The analysis of time management problems and management strategies can provide some help for college students in time management. The main influencing factors of course management on students' academic challenges mainly includes course objective, course structure, and the effectiveness of course management. Course as a combination of student society. Students are in the society, so they are closely connected. The combination point is in the course. Course management is one of the most important and common types of teaching management. First of all, the society's demand for talents is reflected in the course objectives and course structure. According to the requirements of its Society for Talents, the UK has put forward the national course management objectives to make young people successful learners, confident individuals, responsible citizens, and efficient builders. The main influencing factors of students' learning styles on academic challenges mainly focus on the choice of learning styles, teaching methods, learning environment. The learning environment style is important consideration when planning effective and efficient teaching and learning. The best way to help students to create a harmonious learning environment and use teaching methods that closely match students' preferred learning styles. Studies categorize different types, and their goals and methods are similar. According to the curve theory, the preferred learning style affects a person's ability to solve problems. Conclusions. This study reviews a literature on course management, learning styles, students' academic challenges, and explores the relationship among them. It has made some achievements and has a certain basis, but the research is still insufficient, and there is still a lot of room to develop. At the same time, the study found that learning engagement theory, student participation theory can effectively guide the development of the study, whether it's a guidance of variables or the analysis of a realistic problem. Therefore, the study combines these theories to build a theoretical framework and then sought out relevant theories to provide a solid foundation and theoretical guidance for the next research work. Thank you. This is my presentation.